So I've got a few things on power outages, some statistics, and some things to think about as we move on with this. So in 2016, the average time that an outage lasted in the United States varied between 27 minutes and 6 hours. So those are obviously short-term power outages, but even 6 hours is a long time, especially if it's cold or like really, really hot, right? So if you're
That's
in
always when it happens.
yeah, so if you're in Arizona and it's 115 degrees
Yeah.
and you don't have air conditioning for 6 hours,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just committing suicide at that
I
point,
would too.
probably. But or if you're, you're in Montana in the middle of
At least
winter.
freezing to death is probably a little more comfortable than cooking
Oh
to
yeah,
death.
for sure. Yeah.
Dehydrating in your bed.
100%. 100%.
Was it just this last year that Ogden had that big powder outage for
Yeah,
like
it
5
was.
days or something?
I think so, yeah.
Anyway.
It happens, man. When natural disasters were the cause of the outage, the average time increased to 20 hours. So you're
That's a
basically
huge
looking
jump.
at a full day. Yeah. Some Puerto Ricans waited up to 11 months for the power to be restored after Hurricane Maria. That's a
Just
freaking
take you
year.
back
Yeah, dude.
50 years.
Uh-huh. In 2017, 36.7 million U.S. Americans were affected by a power outage. That's a lot of us. For the past 3 consecutive years, California reported having the most amount of outages, followed by Texas, New York, and Ohio. A report by Briggs and Stratton concluded that the largest cost families face in relation to blackouts is property damage, which comes to an average of just under $2,000. So
Seems a little low.
it's something that, power outages, you just got to be ready for them. You have to be prepared. And there's some like really very simple things you can do to get prepared for them. We're going to talk about those today. And the nice thing is, we talk about this a lot too. Preparing for a power outage gets you prepared for a lot of different
It
things.
does.
You know,
It's crazy
there's
how
so much
much we
crossover.
rely on the power system, and that's why Texas was just a perfect example of a
Yes.
nightmare from power failure.
Exactly.